Come, little snake. As long as you just let me ride when I ride. Good morning, people. It feels a little weird. I got my kayak out for this tiny little pond. And there's fish to be had, frogs to be found. Let's go get them. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're out here on a kayak in the middle of the pond. All that other edge that I've never been able to hit up. We have this black and blue Brush Hog. I've never used this hat cam before. Glasses are all fogging up from the humidity. I think it's like 90% humidity right now. That felt like a tug. Yep, it was a tug. Immediately, like right when I hit the water. Come on, stay down. Stay down. Yeah, buddy. Just a little guy, but we'll take those too. Come on. Rod stuck in my foot here. Welcome to the show, buddy. Man, I got you all the way through the gill plate. There we go. What a beauty. Little guy. Let's let him go. Floated in a lot closer than I was expecting. Which tends to happen when you're in a kayak. You just kind of drift along wherever nature tells you. Gets pretty shallow right there. Nothing marked on the graph. But that's okay. I'm using it as a depth finder here. I'm supposing all these bass are going to be right up on these weeds anyway. Oh, wait, is he still on there? He is still on there. He was just coming right at me. Hey, little buddy. Thanks for coming out. Enjoying the show. I don't want to lose my rod at the same time, so let's do this. And we're filming. Look at that guy. And our frog friend is here. I'm gonna let you go back. Alright guys, that was bass number 2. Let's see. Brush hog it. Come on, baby. Come up over here. Join the show. And Yeah, he swallowed that one down, guys. I hope I'm on. Let's just make sure. Yeah, buddy. I just saw a bunch of bait fish just going around, and I threw this baby brush hog right in the middle of it. Tick, tick, tick. And then it felt like nothing there. And here he is. Good deal. He's got a little bit of a belly on him too. Yeah, right on the roof of the mouth there. Let me get my pliers. There we go. Beautiful fish. Go away. Goodbye. Yeah, my friends, there's a snake coming this way, so we're gonna pull up. We're gonna move out the way. Don't want to play with no snakes this time. Well, he's seen me and he's gonna pull away now. He's gonna go right in those reeds. We're gonna cut right through here, maybe. Whoa! Big old bass just jumped. Uh-oh. I'm spinning, but I'm not going nowhere. Prop's probably stuck. You see that big old fish just jumped out right now? Prop's probably got a mouthful of... Yeah, feels like it. It's got... And the prop is full of junk right there. Let's pull it up, see if we can clear some of that. I don't know why I thought that was a good idea. Alright. Let's see if that did the job. Very slowly. Maybe not that far, huh? Like right there.
The next day.
Real Trigger family, let's get it back on. I'm out here kayaking on that same pond that I was out yesterday. Try to get some more bass. The weather had kind of changed. After I had left yesterday, it started raining. Today it's a bit cloudy, a little bit windy. Still humid, but let's see if we can get some fish and no snakes. I got one. Nice. Oh, that's a nice one too. Silent did it. Ooh, I barely got him hooked. Come on, baby. Come on. Right on the nose. Oh, don't hook me, buddy. Look at that. Wow. Let me get you unhooked before you hook me. You see this, guys? Holy mackerel. Oh, man. I definitely got to get a weight on this one. Make sure I'm recording. I am. Look at that guy. Wow. Getting pushed all into those reeds right now. But I'm okay with it right now. So we got pounds. Put him under his gill plate right here. .66 pounds. Wow. You see that? 3.66 pounds. What a beauty. I'm just doing a little revive action. Yeah, I think we let her go back in. Swim away, girl. Woo! I love it. Can you believe that one, ladies and gentlemen? Wow. Who knew that this little pond would produce something about 4 pounds? That is probably my second biggest fish out of here. First one was in the winter and just wacky rigging off of the pier. I'm glad they came. Let's try to get some more. Hopefully that size too. I mean, yes, come on. That's what we're here for. This is the Strike King shallow. You can see the bill is bent almost all the way down, almost like a wake bait, and it goes 1 to 4 feet or 1 to 3 feet, and that's what we caught that bass on. And let's throw it back in and see if we can get another one. Oh, I got another one right there. It feels like another good one. Putting up a good fight at least. Yeah, he's a little guy. Yeah, try to inhale it. That's what I like to see. Alright. Get your hooks free. Oh. There we go. How about that? Another newcomer. He looks like he's got a bug or something in his mouth. I don't know if you can see the feelers, but we'll let him have it. Bye bye, fish. That one had a pretty decent belly on it, I admit that. And with all the wind blowing in this direction, I was expecting fish to be on this side. All of the bait fish seem to be smaller in size here. I've caught a few big shad cast netting, but the majority of the fish here are small for the bait fish. What a greedy little fish. He had one in his mouth and he still wanted mine. and he took the front hook. Silent but deadly, I guess. Alright guys, we got a couple bass. It was a little bit slower day, but we got that big mama. 3.66 pounds. Fought good, fought hard, but we're gonna call it a day. Thanks for coming outside with me. See you next time.